everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I'm going to be making a Dollar Tree gnome wreath or door hanger. I have seen so many people use the Dollar Tree mops to make the beards on their gnomes, which I think is such a great idea. So I'm going to be taking those mops and using those to make a gnome wreath. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like home decor and DIYs on a budget, make sure to stick around by hitting that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Alright, let's get started on this gnome. To make this gnome, I'm going to use 2 of these mops from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use one of these stockings from Dollar Tree as well. You can use whatever stocking you would like. I just thought this one kind of looked like a gnome hat. Then I'm going to remove the handles from the mops, and then I'm going to take out the mop part by just unclipping the little black piece that holds the mop in. The first one was easy to get out. The second one was a little more difficult. I had to use a screwdriver to pry it out. Then the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off that hanger that is on the stocking, and I'm going to save that for later. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take some of the mop and I'm going to leave it folded in half, and I'm going to start hot gluing in a line all the way across the top of the stocking, and this is going to start building up my beard of the gnome. So I continue to hot glue the mop all the way across the bottom or the top of the stocking, and I did 3 layers. Then after I did that, I flipped the stocking over to start doing layers on the other side. Now this is where I should have attached the nose before I started attaching the mop, but I completely forgot and just kept going. So anyways, I figured it out later, but I just kept attaching the mop to the other side and did another 3 rows. And then I took the rest of the mop and made sure I filled in the sides and wherever I thought I was missing some pieces. For the nose of my gnome, I'm going to use one of these plastic ornaments that come in a pack of 2 from Dollar Tree. They're the smaller versions. And I just took some chalk paint and gave it 2 coats of chalk paint. After the nose was dry, I just spread apart the top layer of the beard and used some hot glue to attach the nose right underneath the stocking. And as you can see, it probably would have blended a little bit better if I would have attached the nose prior to putting on the beard, but I still think it worked out in the end. Then all I did was take some stuffing from an old pillow and stuff the stocking to make it look more like a hat. The last couple things I'm going to do is just hot glue the inside of the stocking together underneath the beard, and then I'm going to take the hanger that I cut earlier off of the stocking and I'm going to hot glue that to the back of the stocking. And I think this turned out so cute and the stocking worked out perfect as a gnome hat. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really love how my gnome came out. He looks so cute, and I think it would be so adorable to add a body to this with some scrap fabric that you have, and you could have a giant gnome that didn't cost you very much money at all, because this right here only cost $4 to make. So I really love it. I hope you guys do too. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with someone you know, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, bye-bye.